Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this very beautiful handmade diary with the quilling decoration. Isn't it very pretty? And you can just open the diary. I have added a magnet here. And here I have added the notepad. This is the slot to add your pen, and on the left side I have created one pocket to add tags and extra messages. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. For this we need some multicolored 3mm quilling strips, quilling tool, any strong magnet, any size of notepad, liquid glue, black color paper, cardboard, pattern papers and double-sided tacky tape. First I am taking some cardboard pieces and black color paper. So these two pieces measures 12 by 18 centimeters. These two strips measures 2 by 18 centimeters. And this strips measures 5 by 18 centimeters. Now I am taking this A3 size black color paper as a base and arranging these cardboard pieces on top of this. And for this piece I am just cutting it like a triangle shape. This piece will work as a closure of diary. Now I am connecting all the pieces one by one using liquid glue. This is done. Since I am using this small size notepad which is 10 by 16 centimeter, so according to this size I took the cardboard base. So you should remember, according to your notepad size you have to take the cardboard sheet. Now I am just folding the paper from all sides and I will trim it and connect with the base. So now the base of the diary is ready. Now I am taking two more black color strips and connecting in the center. And now I'm decorating this using some pattern papers. Now, before adding the pattern paper on outer side, I am connecting this magnet. This is a 2 mm strong magnet, and I am connecting using double-sided tape. Just connect the other magnet on top of this. Add one more small piece of double-sided tape on top of this. Remove the liner and close your diary like this. So it will get stick to other side. Now remove this side liner also and connect other pattern paper on top of this. Now I'm adding one more piece of double-sided tape on this magnet and decorating the outer side of diary as well using pattern papers. So the base is ready. Now I have created this small pocket to add inside this. I have added double-sided tape on the edge. So now I am just connecting it. And I have created these small pipes using satin ribbon. I have just curled it and glued it at the end, and I am connecting these pipes on the middle part to connect the pen. Now I am taking my notepad and connecting on the right side. And now decorating the notepad as well using pattern papers. So this is done. Now I am decorating it using some punched borders. Now I'm starting with some quilling shapes. For the first shape I am taking 1/4 strip of pink, 1/4 strip of white and 1/4 strip of dark green and making one tight coil. Now take your quilling mold and just make a dome shape. Add glue inside this. So this is done. For the next shape I am taking 1/8 strip of white and 1/8 strip of green and making one tight coil. For the yellow tight coil I am taking 1/4 strip of yellow, and for this I am taking 1/4 strip of light green and 1/4 strip of dark green. Now I am taking 1 strip of pink, 1 strip of white, 1 strip of dark green and 2 strips of yellow and making one tight teardrop dome. And also I have created some scrolls using pink and green combination. If you want to learn the scrolls, I have given link in description box, you can check there. So shapes are ready. Now I will start decorating it one by one. Now I'm adding one more bunch of scroll in the bottom to fill this empty space. So it's all up to you how you want to decorate it. There is no thumb rule. And to cover these scrolls, I am adding white and light green strip tight coils in descending order. Like this. Now I'm adding this have an okay sentiment. This is a ready-made sentiment which I got from pattern paper pack. And also I am adding these small cute hearts in the right side. And I have also added this tag on the left side to add any extra message or extra notes, and you can just tuck any pen inside these loops. So the beautiful diary come notepad come scrapbook, you can say anything, with the beautiful quilling decoration is ready. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.